Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Evidence Act, we were discussing chapter 2, which is all about relevancy of facts. In this main series, we were discussing a mini series of 7 sections which are covering opinions covered between section 45 to 51, and till my last class I have already covered till section 48. Here in this session I am covering the section 49, which is all about opinion as to usage, tenets, etc. when relevant. I am going to cover section 49 and I am also going to explain you the meaning of usage and tenets in an independent slide. Not wasting any of your time, let's get into the first slide. Section 49 discusses about opinion as to usage, tenets, etc. when relevant. Let us first go through the Bare Act provision and then get into the chart. The provision says when the court has to form an opinion as to the usages and tenets of any body of men or family, the constitution and government of any religious or charitable foundation, or the meaning of words or terms used in a particular district or by particular class of people, the opinions of persons having special means of knowledge thereon are relevant facts. The provision is quite easy, and let us try understand the same with the help of below chart. The scenario when we are discussing about section 49 is the court is in such a position where it has to form an opinion related to usages and tenets. Now, court doesn't have sufficient knowledge on such usages and tenets, but there is a person who by special means of knowledge has all knowledge about such usages and tenets, and if such person makes opinion on such usages and tenets and helps the court to form an opinion which is related to body of men or family, or if such usages and tenets are related to the constitution and government of any religious or charitable foundation, or if such opinion is related to the meaning of words or terms used in particular district or by particular classes of people. In such case, the opinion made by such person to the court is relevant. You might be little confused on the term usages and tenets. Not to worry on that. I will clarify the same in my next slide. But here, the requirement for the court is to understand what are those usages or tenets from a particular body of men or family or some religious or charitable foundation, and a person who has special knowledge on such usages and tenets is making an opinion to help the court to form an opinion, or he might be helping the court to understand the meaning of certain words or terms which is being used by a particular district or by particular classes of people. Whatever he has done according to the 3 green boxes, that will be relevant if that is related to usages and tenets, or if it is related to the meaning of words or certain terms. That's all about section 49, and in my next slide let us try understand the meaning of usages and tenets. First, let us try understand the term meaning of tenets. I have given the meaning in 5 different languages. In Hindi it is Siddhanto, in Kannada it is Siddhantagalu, in Telugu it is Siddhantulu, and likewise I have given in Tamil and Malayalam also. This is basically some kind of Siddhanta which is being believed by people. These tenets, like for example, if you follow any religion, one of the basic tenets that every religion follow is God exists. Now, different religion may say there are different gods, but finally they all say that God exists. That is one of the major tenets in every religion. Tenets is a principle, belief or doctrine generally held to be true, especially one held in common by members of any organization, movement, or profession, and it also includes opinion, principle, doctrine, etc. in any kind of religion, business, or politics. If you know this much about tenets, that is sufficient as far as section 49 is concerned. For me, the main requirement here is you need to understand tenets is those principles that everybody believe. Like for example, the moment you see a teacher, you need to give them respect. That is one of the tenets. Or when you see elders, you need to respect them. These are not laws, these are tenets. Everybody believes them. So this is all about tenets. Now let us try understand what are usages. The term usages is most of the time used along with customs. If you ask me, usage is one less than custom. Like it is also something habitually practiced and it is creating certain amount of right, obligation, etc. It is available in trade, agriculture, mercantile, family, all of those places, but it is not as old as custom or it is not as consistent as custom, and here there is nothing called validity etc., but a certain group of people are continuously using it. Because they are using it, these are called usages. Like a particular term is used or a particular word is used regularly by a particular group of people, that is usage. But we cannot say it is as strong as custom. It is 1 minus than to custom. That's what I can say. This is about usage.
Have you seen this image? This is not real. A balloon near fire. It would definitely burst. Either the balloon is fake or the fire is fake.
Nishan, what's happening there?
Nothing, Papa. With that, I'm concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.